Hey everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make tassels for crochet projects. I hope you're going to enjoy this video to the end. Please remember to give it a like, share and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe if you haven't. So let's get into the video. So in this project, you're going to need yarn, scissors and a tape measure. So first thing, you're going to cut a tail that you will use to tie the tassels. So you can cut around 10 inches. Yeah, so this is 10 inches and we're going to cut two of these. So I just use this to have the same length. Alright, it's not a must that you have 10 inches, but I prefer 10 inches because it will be easier for me to work with this length. And then now making the tassels, I'll be using my 4 fingers to wrap yarn around, and I'm going to make 15 wraps. So if you want more thick tassels, you'll make more wraps. All right, so we're going to count 15 wraps around your 4 fingers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. Remove it from your fingers and cut like that. Right, so grab your one of the tails that you cut and fold it into 2 like this, and you're going to pass it through this space right here. So like this. As you can see, I want the last yarn to be at the bottom, so I'm trying to make sure that it's right there like that. And once you have it like that, you're going to pass this through this and pull. Okay, so we have that secured nicely, and take the other tail, place it on top of your table and pick this one. So like half an inch from here to this, half an inch, we are going to tie this. Make a knot, That's it. Turn on the other side and make another knot. Then we are making the last knot so that it's well secured, right? Like that. We have it secured. Now I'm going to make it 2 inches. So from this point right here, we are going to measure 2 inches. So I'll hold right there and cut my yarn. Please remember to give it a like, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Until next video, bye.